Good day, fellow problem solvers. John East, Johan Oosthuizen, as you know. So to all those scientists out there, let's take maths into the science class, right? Scientific notation and exponents, how to use it, how to work with it, how to enjoy it exponentially. Share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Good day, fellow problem solvers and scientists, because we're talking about scientific notation. And we're not only talking about scientific notation, but we are referring to exponents. And you will quickly see how these two link together. So why scientific notation? Well, scientists work with big numbers, sometimes too big to make sense of it all, right? So we sometimes feel like this little guy right there. So in order to make more sense, we use scientific notation to write a very small or a very large number as the product of a number and power of 10. Explanation to follow shortly. A significand is the number in scientific notation that is multiplied by a power of 10. Let me explain. 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. 10 to the power of 2 is equal to, well, you've guessed it, or if you calculated, 100. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. And so I can continue. So let's say we have a number. For example, let's look at example 1. You've got a number that is very big, like a large number. Let's say 210 million. We can actually say that this is the same as saying 2, 1 times 10 million. Let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we need to add another 0. 8. So it's actually 2.1 times 100 million. Now this 100 million can be rewritten as an exponent with a base of 10. Just like you can see here, 1 0 is to the power of 1, 2 zeros to the power of 2. So 8 zeros is 10 to the power of 8. And this is how we'll write a big number in scientific notation. 2, 1 times 10 to the power of 8 is the same as 210 million. Now let's look at example 2. And now we're going to take a very small number. So let's say, for instance, 0,00004. Yeah. You can see here that this is the same as 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 zeros, so that's 100,000. You can check it with your calculator if you want to, but this works out perfectly. So now 4 divided by 100,000 is 0,00004. Okay. We can also write this as 4 divided by 10 to the power, and now we need to check the amount of zeros. There's 5 zeros, so that's divided by 10 to the power of 5. Now with your exponent laws, you'll later learn that once you have a 1 over, let's say, 10 to the power of 4, you can write it down as 10 to the power of negative 4. If it's to the power of a negative, that means it's being divided by. So this can then be written as 4 times 10 to the power of negative 5. So hopefully this will help you to understand scientific notation and exponents, and in order to use this in science as well, and natural science, any other subject you also faced with. Thank you. Enjoy your day and stay tuned for more.